Star Network is a social network with payment function for users to store, grow and transfer your Star balance with your peers. It is also the future's DeFi, decentralized finance, platform with exchange, borrowing and lending, wallet and payment functions. Star is the digital currency that you can earn from Star Network. All you need is a mobile phone and internet connection. And yourself being a real person who can pass KYC. That's it. You have full faith in a new DeFi project which rewards you based on the new users you referred. You worked hard pitching all your friends to share the same faith with you. Then you realize another person in the third world using low-tech tools to create numerous fake accounts and register as his referee. His balance surpasses you by miles, and then he passed KYC himself. What a heartbreaking moment. Sadly, lots of other DeFi projects have not tackled this root cause of unfairness and reward scam users with high balance. Not the same in Star Network. Star Network is a referral-only network with KYC features to ensure users' validity. You earn nominal balance from all users joining your team. However, only balance contributed from KYC-ed users will be converted as your realized balance where you can withdraw or transfer after yourself passing KYC. This means for scam users who fraud by creating fake accounts, these fraudulent balances can only be nominal balance which has no value as they can never be realized. How do I earn Star and earn Star faster? Our app enables you to earn Star by making contributions to the Star Network community. To start earning Star, log in the app and click the rocket button to activate a 24-hour earning session. In addition, you can earn extra by inviting new users to join Star Network with your referral code. There are 4 tips that can help you to earn Star faster and thus enjoy it better. Number 1. Stay committed, come back every 24 hours. As each earning session will only last for 24 hours, and will stop until you have manually initiated another session, the simplest way to earn Star faster is not to leave any gap between any earning session. Just develop a practice of spending 5 seconds at the same time every day to initiate a new session and maximize the value of time. Number 2. Earn your surprise gift. Every 12 hours, you will be able to draw power-up on your app's home screen. You will be rewarded with a bonus rate from 1 to 100% of your eligible earning rate. Good luck! Number 3. Spread the words, build a better future together. For every new member who has joined Star Network using your invitation code, they automatically become your booster, and you are the rocket. When both of you have initiated your earning session, each booster will boost your earning rate by 25%. Referral bonus rate is uncapped. So let's spread the words and invite people to join Star Network upon your referral. Number 4. Be an early bird, start earning before the rate halves. Rate halving is a common practice in the cryptocurrency field, in which the supply rate will be cut by 50% upon a certain timeline. Star Network will conduct rate halving 3 times in the entire project roadmap before ceasing new supply, so you will be better off to maximize your earning before each rate halving happens. How much battery and data will the Star Network app consume? Battery and data consumption is insignificant. Firstly, after you have logged in the app and activated a new earning session, it is not necessary to keep the app open. You can close the app if you wish, but not logging out, and the earning would still count. Just make sure that you will come back after 24 hours to initiate another session. No worries, if you have switched on the app's notification, it will remind you. So literally the activity of earning Star does not affect your phone's performance, drain your battery, or consume significant data. Does the Star Network app also serve as a wallet for Star? Yes, your mobile app will serve as the wallet of Star. Prior to the KYC process, your identity with the app is linked to accounts, Apple, Google, Facebook, email, you used for registration. Can a user earn fraudulent earnings by logging in the same account with multiple devices? How does Star Network combat fake accounts and fraudulent earnings? No, one user can only earn from one device. Star Network combats fake users and fraudulent earnings by enforcing KYC, know your customer, compliance process, and introducing the idea of nominal balance and realized balance. What is the background of Star Network's core team? Star Network's core team is formed by professionals in investment banking, technology, and payment network fields. The core team consists of ex-senior executives of investment banks including Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, technology giants including Google, Facebook, Apple, and payment networks including Visa, PayPal. As Star Network is missioned to be a global project, our core team members are based in leading financial hubs with mature financial and technological infrastructures including the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Japan, South Korea, and Singapore. Combining the core team's expertise in investment banking, fintech, social media, and compliance, Star Network is dedicated to building the safest and friendliest all-in-one decentralized financial system. When can I withdraw Star? In order to withdraw, transfer, or use Star, you will firstly need to pass Star Network's KYC verification process, which is forecasted to take place starting from October 2021. Once you have passed KYC, you will be able to conduct P2P transfer of Star with other users who have also passed KYC. So what are you waiting for? Register now and start earning Star. To register, click the link on the pinned comment or description below. Then install the app. After that, register by using your Facebook or email account. Finally, once you have an account, you can start earning stars by tapping the rocket button to activate a 24-hour earning session. Easy, right? Just repeat it every day. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate this video, hit the like and subscribe button.